Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install Azure CLI and Functions core tools and pick Node or Net. Once done, sign in with Az login and choose or create a resource group so your resources are organized. Then run func-init in a new folder to initialize the project and use func-new to scaffold a function template. This gives you local entry points and a function. JSON. Make sure to pick the correct runtime so local behavior matches Azure. You now implement the core logic and validate it locally. Edit the function handler for your HTTP trigger or timer, add bindings, and reference environment values in local. Settings. JSON so secrets stay out of source control. Once you wire dependencies, run func start and exercise endpoints with curl or postman. This reveals runtime issues quickly. Make sure to watch the console logs for stack traces and binding failures so you can iterate. When local tests pass, prepare configuration and deployment scripts to preserve the working state. You will deploy and finish by publishing the app and validating in Azure. Use Az Function App Create or Func Azure Function App Publish to push code, then set app settings in the portal to mirror local. Settings. JSON and enable application insights for observability. Once deployed, test endpoints and confirm cold start and scale behavior. If something breaks, check deployment logs and the runtime stack setting. Then verify network rules like VNet or firewall blocking. One troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.